Hi there. Part of Nairobi looking marvelous, you can see from farm. So let's talk about the reason why you are most likely broke. Guys, a good number of people out there are broke not because they never get money, not because they're not earning enough, but reason being they never plan their money. That's the main reason as to why a good number of people out there are broke. They never budget. And the basic solution for this is you planning your money. Don't bank on just one day randomly, for example, to have your money increase abnormally. Yes, it could increase. You might have a windfall. Fair enough. But start planning your money using the amount you have at the moment, what your income is. Plan your expenses very well and also set aside some money for investing, because it is through investments that you can be able to trigger additional inflows or incomes. So begin planning your money by budgeting. Ensure you have reasonable budgets. Of course, priority is on paying off any negatives you have, living within your means, and also having some spare amount of money for investing. If you do that, be rest assured that your future is going to be more bright, because you're going to be able to work towards financial freedom. But if you continue sitting there hoping the money is going to increase abnormally and being reckless with regards to planning the little or even the much amount of money you're earning, chances are you're going to continue being in the same trap. So start budgeting today, and hopefully in future you're going to be able to have better financial fortunes. If you're out there and watching this video, do you think a good number of people out there are broke and they never have money despite earning good amounts of money, reason being they never plan? Or what do you think are the reasons as to why a good number of people out there don't have money, or they're living miserably despite them having even stable income sources? Comment down below. Let's continue discussing there. Cheers guys. I look forward to share with you other awesome videos next time. Bye bye, and you all take care.